Accuray is a medical device company. We make very sophisticated radiotherapy machines that are integrated with AI that treat patients for cancer. We destroy cancer cells and not a single healthy cell besides that. We contacted SAP about 4 years ago as we were looking to retire our legacy ERP system. We felt that SAP is absolutely the industry leader, not only in life sciences, but really industry in general. It took about a year or so for us to get ready to kick the project off. Project took about 18 months. The implementation gave us an opportunity to truly go through our data with a fine-tooth comb and reconcile the data, cleanse the data, make sure that all the data that was in the system, it wasn't duplicative, it was consistent, it was accurate. But the end result has been amazing because now our executives, our managers and so forth, when we run reports, when we do metrics, they now believe in the data that they're getting. Previously, the data was always suspect. The fact that there's more capabilities that we're now able to take advantage of. There's a number of third-party applications, things like a PLM system, a CPQ system, a CRM system. All those systems we have now been able to seamlessly integrate with SAP. We're taking full advantage of the interoperability that SAP offers, and we now have about 80% of our third-party apps are directly interfaced and connected with SAP, so all of our transactions back and forth are now seamless. NTT Data has added value to Accuray pretty significantly. They are our trusted AMS partner to solve the incidents and defects that our business users may log. We really rely on NTT not only to support us day to day, but also help us build that roadmap as we move into the future. Originally, when we were looking to implement SAP, our thought was we were not only going to implement a new system, but we were going to evaluate all of our current business processes as well. And we're going to use this as an opportunity to move to industry best practice. Use SAP the way that it was designed to be used, fit to standard, out of the box. Accuray has several plans in place right now as we work with both SAP and NT Data, something that we'd really like to take advantage of now that we're on the S/4HANA, the private cloud, is we're now able to implement SAP's Joule and take advantage of the AI functionality that comes with that. Obviously, AI is exploding everywhere. We're using AI, but just like any other organization, we know that there's a lot more that we can do with it. To not use AI with our largest system platform, SAP, there's a lot of value we're leaving on the table. So we're very, very excited to partner with NTT in order to implement the Joule tool, learn about what can Joule do for us, and start to automate processes, look for opportunities that we can take advantage of with AI, that in today's world without it, we're still doing things manually. In the current environment that we're in, from a global perspective, we have things that are outside of our control, like tariffs. Tariffs have the potential to be very disruptive to our organization, like many organizations. We are now looking to potentially utilize SAP's GTS module or Global Trade Services to support an initiative that we have now taken on that we're committed to, where Accuray is going to be standing up our own FTZ, or a foreign trade zone, in our warehouse. And I found that working with NTT and SAP, the SAP GTS module looks like it's going to deliver exactly what we need in order to support this FTZ initiative that we're going after.